All right, after all these power outages, we gotta go check this air stack chiller here. This thing is super sensitive to voltage outlet outages and often needs to be reset. There's the model there. I can hear something clicking. Let's see what we got. Brought the big screwdriver. I didn't really need all this. A little bit overkill. Oh my God. Yeah, that is not good. Yeah, that's not good at all. That thing is going crazy. All right, I don't know what that's about. I'm gonna shut this off. We are going to give it a second. Set this back on. Let's see what we got. Oh my God. What the hell is this thing doing? Yo. That looks better. Oh no. Oh my God, that is so bad. All right, we're gonna have to go get a multimeter on this thing or something, because that looks terrible. That thing is going crazy.
Your power outage is under evaluation. We are evaluating the current outage situation and will provide estimated times for restoring service when more information is available. We thank you for your patience and encourage you to check back periodically for updated information.
That's it?
To hear this information again, press 1. If you would like to report your outage now, press 2. Otherwise, if this satisfies the reason for, we offer restoration callbacks to verify whether power has been restored to your home or business and to identify individual service outages that may remain after larger area outages are restored. Please be aware that restoration callbacks are made 24 hours a day. Would you like to be called back? Please say yes or no.
Yes.
I see the number you're calling from is 30153. Is that right?
Yes, that's correct.
Your outage has now been reported. You may call again or visit Petco.com to receive updated information on this outage. Thank you for calling Pepco. Goodbye.
Goodbye.
She's so pleasant.
I know. What up?
I called my boss.
All right, so Pepco is telling everybody that we need to reset these things and they'll come back on. They're not coming back on. We have a bunch of dark meters here and there. It's like every other meter is dark. So I'm gonna go try to get on the phone with Pepco because I can't do anything else. 120 looks good.
This is the one that didn't.
Okay,
yeah.
we don't have
So
power on that. We've lost that phase.
Yeah. So that should be B phase.
So we just gotta flip these guys back, right? Should we go slowly with this?
Yeah.
I mean, these things are not even working anyway, so they're not gonna draw any current. Oh, look at that. These ones.
They were working before this.
Oh, and look, they have power regardless of whether the breaker's on.
Yeah, and there's a green indicator light you can see from the side.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right. Oh, hope nobody was in a Zoom meeting, huh? Because their Zoom meeting is over. So 20, can you call Jordy? He was calling for something. I don't have service. Because like
This looks like, or one of these looks like maybe a reset.
this one is working down here, and they would imagine they're all fed off of this. Yo, this is what killed that fuse up there? Wow.
I do have to get a better angle.
All right. right, so we're back here. Fuse has been replaced outside. Let's see if this thing wants to work. Please don't go crazy on me. Oh, that's looking good. Hey, we are in business. I'm gonna go check on some other stuff, and then I'm gonna come back out here and make sure this thing still fires up. But this thing's got like crazy time delays. I don't want to sit out here for like 10 minutes until it comes on fully. So I'm gonna go do a walkthrough of the rest of the property here and make sure we're good.